Okay, we're back in the Pico 4 again. This is going to be a quick video to sort of say what the fuck to the reviewers and how no one has actually noticed this. Side loading in Picos was good. It's junk. It's now junk. This is portrait. I'm going to do Steam Link. Steam Link fine. I'm going to do PS2 emulator. That's portrait. That's no good. GeForce Now. Portrait. That's no good. What the fuck? Why has no one noticed this? So yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm completely done with this headset. If you want to believe what YouTubers are saying at the minute, I'm just completely pissed off with it. Not anyone in particular. It just seems to be the reviews aren't actually reviews. They're just impressions and reading off a little spec sheet and comparing to another headset, not actually going into what's happening. So I've only just turned this on to actually look at what the CPU and GPU levels are doing on the power save mode. And yeah, someone mentioned this, so I thought I'd check it myself, and I don't know what the fuck's going on. Sort out, Pico. I'm done. I'm absolutely done. I ain't helping anymore. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry that's a bit sweary, but that's what it needs to be. I've had enough. Cheers.